In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, set up spaces and pages, format your work, publish it, collaborate with your team, search efficiently, keep things updated, and make the most of templates. First, head to the Confluence website. If you're new, click Sign Up and create your account. Otherwise, click Log In. You can use your email or a Google account to get in quickly. Once you're signed in, you're ready to get oriented. Before building anything, it helps to understand the basics. Think of spaces as big folders for your teams or projects. Inside each space, you'll create pages. These are your documents where content lives. Templates are pre-built page layouts that save time, especially for recurring needs like meeting notes or project plans. By the way, I've placed a link to the Confluence website right at the top of the description so you can jump in as you follow along. Let's create your first space. From the sidebar, go to Spaces and choose Create Space. Pick either a team space or a project space. Give it a clear, memorable name and click Create. Good naming helps everyone quickly find what they need later. Now, create your first page inside that space. Click Create, then choose Blank Page if you want to start fresh, or select a template if it fits your goal. Add a concise title so the page is easy to identify, then start typing in the editor. Use the formatting toolbar to make your content clear and skimmable. Apply bold, italics, or underline for emphasis. Add headings to break content into logical sections. Use bullet or numbered lists for steps and ideas. Insert images, tables, or links to add context and structure. Strong headings and clean lists make your page easier to navigate. When you're ready to share your work, click Publish to make the page visible to your team. If you're still drafting, click Close to save it as a private draft you can return to later. To collaborate, click Share at the top right. Enter your teammates' email addresses and set the appropriate access. Teammates can comment or edit depending on permissions, making it easy to collect feedback and refine content together. Use the search bar to quickly find pages by title or keywords, and navigate via the sidebar to jump between spaces and pages you use often. If a page needs updates, open it, click Edit, make your changes, and publish. Version history lets you review earlier edits and restore previous versions if needed. Finally, explore templates by clicking Create and then Templates. Popular options include meeting notes, project plans, and task lists. Great time savers for consistent workflows. Thanks for watching.